안녕하세요. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to tell time in Korean. It's an important skill to have whether you're traveling or just in your daily life. By the end of this video, you'll be able to tell time in Korean with ease. Let's go! First, let's start with the unit of times. Hour is 시. 시. Minute is 분. Seconds is 초, but when you read time, you wouldn't normally read to the seconds, so that is just for your reference. 시, 분, 초, and we're going to start plugging in the numbers. So normally when you read time, you would say something hour, something minute. There is an important rule. When you are reading the hour, you must use native numbers. And when you are reading the minutes, you must use Sino numbers. A little confusing, but you'll get used to it. And there is a special rule for the native numbers. 1 through 4 has an irregular form. So for example, in native Korean, 하나 becomes 한. So you would say 한시 instead of 하나시. 2, 둘 becomes 두. So instead of 둘시, you would say 두시. 셋 becomes 세, so 세시. 넷 becomes 네, 네시. So these rules apply for 1 through 4 and the rest will remain the same. Let's look at some examples together. Alright, so remember for hours you must use native numbers. What is 10 in native numbers? It's 열. So you would say 10시. And then for the minutes, you have to use Sino numbers. 5 is 5. So it becomes 10시 5분. Next example. All right, again. 2시 10분. Now you get the rules, right? Next example. 3시 30분. Next. 6시 15분. Now that you have a general idea of how to read time, I'm going to now teach you some expressions that are essential to reading time in Korean. When you're referring to the AM, 오전, 오전. PM is 오후, 오후. So for example, if you're referring to 7 a.m., it would be 오전 7시. If you're referring to 7 p.m., it would be 오후 7시. On the dot, so 12 o'clock or 6 o'clock would be 정각. So if you want to say 6 o'clock exactly, then you would say 6시 정각. When you are referring to 30 minutes, we actually have a word for it. It's called 반. So instead of saying 6시 30분, you can replace that with 6시 반. This applies to any time. So 4시 반, 5시 반, 1시 반. Now here's the full example set. 오후 8시, 오전 3시 반, 오후 10시 45분, 12시 정각. I hope you found this video useful. Now you know how to read time in Korean. However, make sure you know your Sino and native numbers well. Alright, if you have any questions, you can leave it in the comments below. Bye!